Hey, welcome to Voxintel. Today we're diving into a free AI tool that brings portraits to life. Believe it or not, I was just a static image a few seconds ago. Oh, where are my manners? My name's Oren, and it's great to meet you. If you're enjoying this already, go ahead and hit those buttons below.
こんにちは。この素晴らしい旅へようこそのお越しいただき、とても嬉しいです。今日は AI がシンプルな画像を私のような生き生きとしたキャラクターに変える方法をご紹介します。一緒に画像に命を吹き込んでいく様子を想像してみてください。それでは始めましょう。
Alright, let's get straight into the video. To achieve the talking images, simply head into our browser and type Hydra AI. There are a lot of clones out there, but one way for us to know which is the real site is to check the domain name. The official site is registered to hydra.com. So we just click that. We see two options, but the one we're just going to focus on today is the create option, so we click try. To use the service to begin with, we need an account, so let's create one. We can just quickly sign up using a Google account, but I'm going to be using a temp mail for this one, since I find it more convenient for the video. But feel free to choose whatever service you want to. So let's type temp mail on the search bar and scroll for any sites. Okay, now we're just going to select this one. Now let's copy the generated temporary email address and paste in the site to register. And now let's go and check for the code sent to us to register. Now we paste it in and simply log in. And we accept all these. Okay, we're done signing up, so we can begin with the images. I'm going to be showing you 3 different instances which will showcase different capabilities the site itself has. Simply consent to this. Okay, first let's upload the portrait image that we want to turn into a video. So I'll just select this one. For this one, I already have an audio I'm going to use. So let's select that. You can also select the aspect ratio if you need to. I'll just leave mine the way it is. Now we're done, so let's hit generate. The site will process it and give us an animated output. I've noticed that how fast your video generates depends on how much traffic there is on the site at that particular moment. So sometimes you'd be placed on a queue, while others it generates them at an instant. Okay, it's done, so let's view our generated output.
Hello there. Shocking, right? Yeah, I know it seems unreal, I know. But it is what it is, you know. Feel free to subscribe as well for more things like this.
Next, we'll use the site's inbuilt tools to create an image from scratch. We'll also explore their voice library, where you can pick a voice directly from the site to match your character. This option makes it super convenient if you don't already have a voice file. Let's refresh this. You can also directly generate images via the site as well, so let's see how good it is. But I'm going to put in a very specific prompt to see how good the image generation is in terms of the detail. Now hit create. Okay, this is good, but I'm looking for more of a portrait style image, so I'm just going to hit create a couple of more times so it'll generate other instances of the image. Okay, this is perfect, so we're going to use it. Now we're going to want to select and use a voice from the default voice library, so let's open that and listen to some samples before choosing the one we want to use as well.
Hi, thanks for contacting customer support. What can I do for you?
Okay, this seems alright for our character, so we're going to select and use it. Now all that's left is to hit generate. and let's view our results.
I am Suzuki, a warrior from the samurai realm. It may seem shocking that I was just a portrait moments ago, but now I can fight for my honor. If you want to see more battles and epic stories, don't forget to subscribe.
As you can see, it came out perfect and okay. Now in the last demo, I'm going to be showing you the filters and how they can be applied to change the style of your image. Okay, to get started with the filters, we're going to first click the Stylize button in the upper left of the screen. This will take us to the page where we can then customize the styles of our image with more flexibility. Now let's select our image. Now here you can select any of the style templates you would want to use, but if you want to be more specific, you can just try out their full editor as I'm showing you here. There you can customize how you want your character to look, as I'll give you an example here. Let's just leave the prompts as the defaults as well as the AI strength. The AI strength is how much the picture will change from the base image. The higher it is, the more the output will differ from the base image. As you can see, it's done and it clearly defines the prompt. I'm not going to use this image as I just want to show the demo, so let's proceed. You can also just stylize the image directly from here as well. Simply select what preset you want to use and hit Apply Style and watch it modify your image. You can also just hit Restylize if you want a different touch to the image. In this case, it looks quite similar to the previous image, so we hit Restylize. Now it looks good, so simply select the audio you want to use and hit Generate. Now let's go back to our main dashboard and quickly select our audio to use and generate our video.
Yes, consider subscribing to Vox Intel. It might not seem like much to you, but it means a lot to the creator. It takes just a few seconds and your support makes a huge difference. Thanks for hanging out with me, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
Now the only downsides to this site is that they have a watermark which might not be convenient for everyone. So let's remove it. Simply follow as you see. Go to your browser search bar and paste this link that I'll leave it in the description or comment of this video. Then after the site loads up, quickly hit Remove Object Now, which will redirect you to an external link. Now quickly sign up with a temp mail or email service of your choosing. Then import your video that has a watermark and use the brush to highlight the area that contains the watermark, and then hit Remove Objects Now to do the job. It'll then quickly export for download. So let's see the differences in comparison.
Yes, consider subscribing to Vox Intel. It might not seem like much to you, but it means a lot to the creator. It takes just a few seconds and your support makes a huge difference. Thanks for hanging out with me, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.